What is FI Stable Growth 25 and how does it work? What is Morgan Stanley Capital International? MSCI is a well-known name in the world of investment indexes. It helps in identifying stocks that can offer better returns with lower risk. And what is FI Stable Growth 25? The FI Stable Growth 25 comprises the top 25 stocks chosen based on MSCI's risk-weighted method, skillfully crafted by Funds India to suit unique Indian investors like you. Now, what does this model do? Focuses on 25 of the least volatile stocks from the MSCI India universe. The lower the volatility, the higher the stock's weight in the portfolio. It runs on rules, not emotions, completely automated and is rebalanced twice a year, in June and December. Each stock holds only up to 10% weight, helping control risk smartly. Let's look at its strong past performance. In the last 10 years, FISG 25 delivered 14.9% returns versus Nifty 50. TRIs 12.1% and Nifty 500 TRIs 13.1% for SG 25. Not just outperformed these major indices in the bullish run, but also saved investments better compared to Nifty 50 and Nifty 500 TRIs during the market crash. Smaller dips, faster recovery. MSCI beats Nifty 50 and 500 in 2020 during COVID-19 crisis. Nifty 50 and 500 fell 38% while FISG 25 fell only 28%. And also MSCI required only 40% rise to recover, while the indices like Nifty 50 and Nifty 500 need 62%. What makes this model special? Higher returns, plus consistent performance. If held for 5 years, 92% of the times, returns were greater than 12%. 62% of the times, the model has outperformed Nifty 50 TRI by more than 3%. Less risky during market falls. So, rule-based, bias-free, reviewed twice a year. Minimum investment 5 lakh rupees, suited for long-term investors, at least 5+ years. The overall expense ratio is as low as 1%. Is this for you? If you want to grow your wealth with smart stock selection and reduced risk during tough times, FI Stable Growth 25 could be a perfect fit. Start your investment journey today with Funds India. Your success begins here. Invest now.